Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Additional Source Income. Today we're going to go over Crash Course on Investment. Make sure to watch until the end as I will be going over different types of investments, setting investment goals, and monitoring and adjusting your investments. If you're new here today, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Crash Course on Investment. Introduction. Are you ready to dive into the world of investing but not sure where to start? Look no further because this crash course on investing is here to guide you through the essentials. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, understanding key concepts and strategies is crucial for success. In this comprehensive video, we'll walk you through the basics of investing, from setting financial goals to choosing the right investment vehicles. You'll learn how to assess risk tolerance, develop a diversified portfolio, and implement effective strategies to maximize returns. We'll also explore common investment options such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate, providing valuable insights to help you make informed decisions. With the right knowledge and a clear understanding of your financial goals, you can navigate the investment landscape with confidence and achieve your desired outcomes. Get ready to take charge of your financial future and embark on an exciting journey towards financial independence. Let's start this crash course on investing and unlock your potential for wealth creation. Different types of investments. When it comes to investing, there are various types of investment vehicles to consider. Each type has its own characteristics, risk profile, and potential for returns. Let's explore some of the most common investment options. Stocks. When you purchase stocks, you're essentially acquiring ownership stakes in a particular company. This means that you become a partial owner of the company. While stocks have the potential for providing significant returns, they also come with a greater degree of risk. Therefore, it is crucial to conduct thorough research and analysis on individual companies before deciding to invest in their stocks. Bonds. Bonds refer to financial instruments that are issued by governments, municipalities, and corporations. By investing in bonds, you're essentially providing a loan to the entity issuing the bond. In return, you receive periodic interest payments and the repayment of the initial amount invested upon maturity. Bonds are generally considered to be less risky than stocks, although they also tend to offer lower potential returns. Mutual funds. Mutual funds gather funds from numerous investors to invest in a varied assortment of stocks, bonds, or other assets. These funds are overseen by expert fund managers who make investment choices on behalf of the investors. Mutual funds offer diversified and professional management, which contributes to the widespread appeal among both novice and seasoned investors. Real estate. Investing in real estate involves buying properties such as residential homes, commercial buildings, or land with the expectation of earning income through rent or capital appreciation. Real estate can provide a steady income stream and potential tax benefits, but it requires careful analysis of market conditions and property management. Understanding risk and return. Before diving into any investment, it's important to understand the relationship between risk and return. Generally, investments that offer higher potential returns also come with higher levels of risk. Risk refers to the possibility of losing some or all of the invested capital, while return refers to the gain or loss on an investment. Before making any investment decisions, it is essential to evaluate your risk tolerance. Risk tolerance pertains to your capacity and willingness to withstand changes in the value of your investments. Various factors including your age, financial objectives, and time frame for investing can impact your risk tolerance. For instance, a younger investor with a long-term investment horizon might be more open to assuming higher risk in pursuit of potentially greater returns. Conversely, an older investor approaching retirement might prioritize preserving their capital. Setting investment goals. Setting clear investment goals is essential for building a successful investment strategy. Your investment goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Whether your goal is to save for retirement, fund your children's education, or purchase a home, having a well-defined objective will help guide your investment decisions. Consider your time horizon and risk tolerance when setting investment goals. Short-term goals, such as saving for a vacation, may require low-risk investments with immediate liquidity. Long-term goals, such as retirement, can accommodate higher-risk investments with the potential for growth over time. Building a diversified portfolio. Diversification is a key strategy for managing risk in investing. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographic regions, you can reduce the impact of any single investment's performance on your overall portfolio. A diversified portfolio can help smooth out volatility and potentially enhance returns. To build a diversified portfolio, consider investing in a mix of stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and other asset classes. You can also diversify within each asset class by selecting investments with different risk portfolios and profiles and returns. Regularly review and rebalance your portfolio to maintain your desired asset allocation and risk level. Investment strategies for beginners. If you're new to investing, it's important to start with a solid foundation. Here are some investment strategies for beginners. Dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging is a technique where you regularly invest a fixed amount of money regardless of the current state of the market. By consistently investing over time, you can take advantage of market fluctuations and potentially decrease your average cost per share. This method helps to reduce the impact of short-term market volatility on your overall investment performance. Index fund investing. Index funds are mutual funds or exchange-traded funds that aim to replicate the performance of a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. These funds provide broad market exposure and low fees, making them a popular choice for beginners. Index fund investing allows you to passively participate in the overall market's performance rather than trying to beat it. Long-term investing. Long-term investing entails retaining investments for a prolonged duration, generally 5 years or beyond. The objective of this approach is to capitalize on the compounding returns and mitigate the influence of short-term market fluctuations. By embracing a long-term outlook, one can endure market volatility and potentially attain greater returns in the long run. Common mistakes to avoid. While investing can be rewarding, it's important to be aware of common mistakes that can hinder your progress. Avoid these pitfalls to maximize your investment success. Emotional investing. Emotional investing refers to making investment decisions based on fear, greed, or other emotions rather than objective analysis. It is important to separate emotions from investment decisions and stick to your predetermined investment strategy. Avoid making impulsive decisions during market downturns or getting carried away during market upswings. Lack of research. Proper research is essential before making any investment. Take the time to understand the fundamentals of the investment, analyze its historical performance, and assess its future prospects. Avoid investing in something simply because it's popular or based on hearsay. A well-informed decision is more likely to lead to a positive outcome. Overconfidence. Overconfidence can lead to excessive risk-taking and unrealistic expectations. While it's important to have confidence in your investment decisions, it's equally important to remain humble and acknowledge that investing involves uncertainties. Regularly reassess your investments and seek advice from financial professionals when needed. Investment tools and resources. In today's digital age, there are numerous investment tools and resources available to help you make informed decisions. Here are some popular options. Online brokerages. Online brokerages provide platforms for buying and selling investments such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. They often offer research tools, educational materials, and access to various investment products. Compare different brokerages to find one that suits your needs and offers competitive pricing. Financial news and analysis websites. Financial news and analysis websites provide up-to-date information on market trends, investment insights, and expert analysis. Websites such as Bloomberg, CNBC, and Investopedia offer valuable resources to stay informed about the latest developments in the investment world. Personal finance apps. Personal finance apps can help you track your investments, set financial goals, and monitor your progress. Apps like Mint, Acorns, and Personal Capital offers features such as budgeting, portfolio, tracking, and investment calculators to help you manage your finances effectively. Monitoring and adjusting your investments. Invest in an ongoing process that requires regular monitoring and adjustments. Here are some tips for effectively managing your investments. Regular portfolio review. Regularly review your portfolio to assess its performance, rebalance your assets allocation if necessary, and make any adjustments based on changes in your financial goals or market conditions. Set a schedule for portfolio reviews, whether it's quarterly, semi-annually, or annually, to ensure you stay on top of your investments. Stay informed. Keep yourself updated on market trends, economic indicators, and any news that might affect your investments. Stay informed about changes in the companies you have invested in and be aware of any potential risk or opportunities. This knowledge will help you make informed decisions and adjust your investments accordingly. Seek professional advice. Consider consulting with a financial advisor or investment professional to get expert guidance tailored to your specific needs. They can help you assess your risk tolerance, set realistic investment goals, and provide personalized recommendations based on your financial situation and objectives. Conclusion. Congratulations on completing this crash course on investing. You now have a solid foundation of knowledge to navigate the world of investments with confidence. Remember to assess your risk tolerance, set clear investment goals, and build a diversified portfolio to maximize your chances of success. Avoid common mistakes, leverage investment tools and resources, and regularly monitor and adjust your investments to stay on track. With the right mindset and a commitment to continuous learning, you can unlock your potential for wealth creation and achieve your financial goals. Happy investing. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.